Berta, move. Good job. Nope, not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Come on, color.
Karsten, no.
Don't eat that. Here. Color. Don't eat it.
Karsten.
Oop. Can you color with the pink one?
Just on his pants.
Good job. Can you color with the pink one? Show us how you color. Show us how you color. Good job. Show us how you color. Show us how you color. Can you color on here? Oh, I'm going to pick that one up with your mouth or what?
No, don't put it in your mouth.
Here. Do you want to color with purple?
Berta, don't put that in your mouth.
Oh, you kids. Show us how you color. Come on, Karsten. Show us how you color. Show us how you color, Karsten.
Karsten.
What?
Don't put that in your mouth.
Are we all done? All done.
So.
All done.